our insulated food pan carrier. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 17.25 inches, a depth of 25 inches, and an overall height, we have 23.75 inches tall. Food pan carrier is lightweight, which makes this easy and convenient to store your food pans and storage. Top and bottom clips that can be loosened. And on the inside is where you can insert and store your food pans. Interior dimensions will include a depth of 21.75 inches, a length of 13.25 inches, and a height of 20 inches tall. Front and back depth of the tracks will include 20 inches deep applied for each track from the back towards the front. A total of 10 to 11 pans can be stored inside this carrier. The door can open and shut, and conveniently can be locked with the clips on the top and bottom. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.